In this video, I'll show you how to reset Google Home. Step 1. Locate the reset button on the Google Home device. It is typically a small button or a mic mute button that doubles as a reset control. Step 2. Press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. You will hear a confirmation sound indicating the reset process has started. Step 3. Wait for the device to reboot. This may take up a few minutes. The device will erase all previous settings and return to factory mode. Step 4. Reconnect the device for your Google Home app. Follow the on-screen setup instructions to set up the device again. Step 5. Test the reset by asking Google Home a basic question to ensure it responds correctly. For example, "Hey Google, how is the weather today?" Follow these tips carefully to achieve the desired outcome for Google Home. For additional troubleshooting or tips, refer to the Google Home support page. Thanks for watching, subscribe.